A very blessed good day, dear partners and guests in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world watching via Zoom. Welcome to LifeMax Global Incorporated, featuring our flagship product, Life Protect, with its hero ingredient, C. Bactorn. As promised, we will give you another inspiring and empowering presentation featuring, of course, our two world class speakers. And without much further ado, for our first distinguished speaker is a doctor of dental medicine. He graduated from the Ocampo Memorial College in Manila. He is also the vice president of Dental Clinicians Club. Moreover, he acquired his Masters of Divinity and Doctor of Philosophy or PhD in Biblical Counseling. So praise God. In his very earlier career, he became a medical representative specializing in cardiology, gastroenterology, and neuroscience, then followed by specializing in neuroscience and psychiatry for the next 2 decades. Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system, like a detective trying to crack down the code of our brain and the wiring of our body, while psychiatry is the medical specialty focused on diagnosing, treating, and preventing mental disorders. He occupied the position as a senior product and chief marketing executive manager at Kusum Healthcare Proprietary Limited, specializing in neuroscience and psychiatry. And currently, he is the assistant general manager for commercial at Grandis Pharmaceutical Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, due to insistent public demand, to share to us his decades of expertise and knowledge, and for our product presentation, let's give our God bless you welcome to Dr. Alexander Gerasmio.
Okay, thank you, Sir Bernie. Good evening po sa ating lahat na naka-join na sa ating pong LifeMax Global Business Presentation via Zoom. And again, no, I'm really somehow elated, no, the way Sir Bernie introduced me. Okay, nonetheless, thank you very much for such a way of introducing me. Well, as Sir Bernie has kept on saying, no, yes, I've been in the pharmaceutical industry for the last 2 decades. So throughout my, kumbaga, that's what my career is all about. I'm really in the drug business industry, and as well as also here in the health and wellness industry. Anyway, so let's dive na sa ating presentation. So last Tuesday, okay, last Tuesday ay tayo po ay nagkaroon ng presentation about cellular aging and also how our product Life Protect will help, no, in terms of our health benefits po. Dahil lang po inaayos lang yung aking presentation. Okay. All right. Okay, so let us start. Now, intentionally, talagang I will again speak a different slide deck, but on the same topic, no, because well, first and foremost, good day everyone. So tonight, pag-uusapan natin ang C. Bactorn at bakit siya relevant sa cellular aging. Dahil ito nga ang ating product, po ba? Na kung saan ang hero ingredient ay ang C. Bactorn. Now, to be clear, no, hindi natin sasabihin na ang C. Bactorn directly makes everyone's telomeres longer. So let me repeat that na. Let me start by saying this clearly. Hindi natin sasabihin sa ating mga prospect na ang C. Bactorn directly makes everyone's telomeres longer. All right? Ang mas accurate is, if you're going to explain to your prospect, ang mas accurate statement is this. Studies show C. Bactorn supports several mechanisms connected to a healthier aging. Ulitin ko ang mas accurate na statement if we will going to talk about the relationship between C-Bactorn and telomeres is this. Clinical studies or study shows C-Bactorn, the hero ingredient of LifeProtect, protects several mechanisms connected to healthier aging, like antioxidant defense, DNA protection, inflammation control, skin barrier support, and telomerase-related activity. So sa gabing ito, ang topic natin tonight is paano nakakatulong ang C-Bactorn sa cellular aging. Paano nakakatulong ang C-Bactorn sa cellular aging? Paano nakakatulong ang C-Bactorn sa environment ng cells para mas protected ang telomeres over time? Now, sa isang pag-aaral po, in a 2023 reviews in foods, reported that C-Bactorn contains many bioactive compounds gaya ng flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamins, fatty acids, and phytosterols. Na kung saan lahat ito ay linked to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. So ito ang magiging ating daloy ng ating pag-uusap. Sa gabing ito, tayo po ay kukuha ng mga pag-aaral na nakapublish online na may kinalaman sa C-Bactorn at sa environment na cells, lalo-lalo na kung paano napoprotektahan ang telomeres through over time. Okay? So dito makikita natin na ang C-Bactorn, anong relationship ng C-Bactorn and cellular aging. So ang C-Bactorn po ay hindi lang isang simpleng halaman. Gaya sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, ito ay isang multi-bioactive powerhouse na naglalaman na may flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamins, fatty acids, at phytosterols at marami pang iba. At sinabi ko nga kanina sa isang pag-aaral sa 2023 Review in Foods, reported that C-Bactorn's bioactive compounds are linked to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, which are the key factors in healthy cellular aging. Kaya ang layunin natin ngayong gabi ay maunawaan kung paano sinusuportahan ng C-Bactorn ang environment ng cells para mas protected ang telomeres over time. Ngayon, nasabi natin, meron ako na-mention kanina na dito nakasulat ay MDPI. Ano ba tong MDPI na to na sinasabi ko? Ang MDPI po, ang ibig po sabihin niyan ay Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute, na kung saan ang MDPI po ay isang international publisher ng scientific journals. Okay? Open access siya. Ibig sabihin, available ang research sa public, hindi lang sa universities. MDPI, kung saan na-mention ang conclusion na ito, publishes yung tinatawag namin mga peer-reviewed research across multiple health and science fields. So sinabi ko nga kanina, di ba, na ayon sa pag-aaral, ito yung pag-aaral na aking tinutukoy. Isang journal na na-publish sa MDPI na ang title ay Bioactive Compounds in C-Bactorn and Their Efficacy in the Prevention and Treatment of Metabolic Syndromes. So mula sa pag-aaral na ito, naiulat na ang C-Bactorns po, bioactive compounds, ito po yon, flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamins, fatty acids, phytosterols at marami pang iba ay may kinalaman or ay nagbibigay ng antioxidant at anti-inflammatory activity. Na kung saan mga susi ito patungo sa malusog na cellular aging. Kaya hindi ito kwentong barbero. Hindi ito mga bagay-bagay na sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung saan ko lang kinuha, kundi ang mga sasabihin ko sa mga susunod na slide ay hango sa mga pag-aaral na nailathala na po sa international scientific journals across the globe. At isa nga po itong pag-aaral na sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang isang na na-publish po sa sa Multidisciplinary Digital and Publishing Institute. Ngayon, so magkaroon po tayo ng review dahil last Tuesday, ito ang ating naging paksa about telomeres, telomerase, cellular aging. Muli, balikan natin. Ano ba ang telomeres? Ang telomeres po ay are protective caps sa dulo ng chromosomes natin. Para siyang plastic tip ng shoelace o ng sintas ng sapatos. Kaya buo, protected ang shoelace. Pero kapag sira, madali na tong mag-fray or tawag doon, parang ano siya, yung Tagalog nito ay anyway, ang hirap, nawala sa isip ko. Ang ibig sabihin na mag-fray sa buhaghag, yon. Nagiging buhaghag na siya dahil wala na yung plastic tip sa sintas sa sapatos, kaya ang hirap na siyang i-shoot, no, doon sa mga butas ng sapatos natin kapag nawala na yung plastic tip. So, ganun natin pwedeng ihambing ang telomeres. So, they are the protective caps at the end of the chromosomes. Okay? Now, ganun din sa DNA, kapag healthy ang telomeres, mas protected ang genetic materials ng cells. Pero habang tumatanda tayo, natural na umiiksi ang telomeres. So makikita natin dito, no, na ang telomeres po ay siya ang nag-iingat ng ating DNA. It shields the genetic material of our DNA. But at the same time, it marks also the age of the cells. Na kung saan ito'y umiikli over the period of time due to a variety of reasons like yung mga cumulative stress. And this will also signals, no, an indicator of the cell's vitality. Ngayon po, para po sa mga skeptics, no, dahil hindi natin maaalis yan, na meron talaga tayong nakakausap ng mga tao kapag ating itong minimension sa kanila, medyo tinataasan tayo ng kilay. Pero okay lang yon dahil that's part talaga ng ating ng proseso natin as we educate people about telomeres and cellular aging and cellular health. Pero sa mga scientific audiences muna, bago tayo dumako sa mga skeptics, no? For scientific audiences, kung ang audience po ninyo ay science-based or evidence-based, ganun ang kailang kaisipan. Pwede natin sasabihin natin na ang telomeres are markers of cellular aging. Repeat, ulitin ko ha. When you are talking to people na evidence-based ang kailang orientation or scientific or science-oriented sila, the way we will talk about this, about telomeres, is that telomeres are markers of cellular aging. Pero sa mga skeptics, sa mga skeptical audiences, atin lang ipinapaliwanag or kinaklarify natin na hindi lang telomeres ang dahilan ng aging. Hindi lang telomeres ang dahilan ng aging, pero important indicator sila ng cellular health. Alright? So makikita natin, no, ang dalawang statement natin or positioning natin depende sa ating audience. Kaya kapag ang audience natin ay science-oriented, evidence-based sila, ang ating panimulang pananalita kung ating pag-uusapan ang telomeres at anong kinalaman nito sa cellular aging, and eventually we will lead also how Life Protect will be a hero ingredient for this a product that will be beneficial for telomeres. Telomeres, as far as scientific audience are concerned, they are markers of cellular aging. While for the skeptics, we will clarify to them na hindi lang telomeres ang dahilan ng aging, pero important factor ito, indicator ito sa cellular health. I hope na nag-gets nyo yung statement na aking na-share. So ang tanong ngayon, why telomeres shorten faster? Okay? Natural lang po. Natural ang telomere shortening. Okay? Pero may mga bagay na nagpapabilis dito. At ano yung mga bagay na nagpapabilis sa pag-ikli ng telomeres? Well, nandiyan yung oxidative stress. Dahil oxidative stress, no, through free radicals, tinitira niya, inaatake niya ang DNA at napapabilis yung erosion ng telomere sa cellular level. Nandito yung inflammation. Okay? Kapag persistent, yung low-grade inflammation, that will drive faster biological aging. Nandyan din yung mga toxins and pollution. Environmental exposure increases stress sa cellular level, and also it compounds telomere damage over time, as well as poor lifestyle, gaya ng poor diet, sleep deprivation, chronic stress. Lahat na ito ay they are accelerating, no, or pinapabilis nila yung cellular aging. So ang tanong ay, meron bang sa atin dito na kumbaga hindi nakadanas o hindi sumasailalim sa mga bagay na ito? Ay ako'y naniniwala na lahat po tayo rito ay dumadaan, no, sa lahat ng mga factors na ito na kung saan ito ang nagpapabilis sa pag-ikli ng telomeres ng ating mga cells. Ngayon, sabi po rito, research, no, ang pagsusuri on C. buckthorn, okay? Pagsusuri sa C. buckthorn consistently highlights its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Na kung saan ito po ay mga mahalaga. Which are important, no? Mga important indicators because ang oxidative stress as well as ang chronic inflammation, lahat po ito ay mga key contributors to cellular aging. Kaya kung ang oxidative stress ay key contributor sa cellular aging, ang high antioxidant property ng C. buckthorn will help address or contain itong oxidative stress at ang another factor sa cellular aging which is yung chronic inflammation dahil ang C. buckthorn ay meron siyang anti-inflammatory properties that will be the solution in addressing the solution for the problem of chronic inflammation. So ito po ay mga pagsusuri na kailang nakita sa C. buckthorn. So makikita po natin na napakataas po, no, o hina-highlight ng bawat pag-aaral yung antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support ng C. buckthorn na siyang hero ingredient ng ating Life Protect. Dahil lang po nagahang. Ganyan siya. Oo.
months away the job search. Sa job.
Okay, so sorry for that, no? Medyo yung connection namin dito sa Manila is a bit unstable. Okay, so as what I'm saying, no? So I hope na nakikita niyo yung slide ko. So, kumbaga, sinasabi ang sa slide na ito, ano yung mga factors that contributes para ma-speed up yung shortening ng telomeres. So, nasabi natin, oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, toxins and pollution, poor lifestyle. At so, hindi lang age, no? Dito makita natin na hindi lang age ang issue. Pwedeng bata ka pa, pero mataas ang oxidative stress ng cells mo. At dahil doon, mapapabilis, no, ang telomere shortening. Kaya nga sa mga pag-aaral sa C. buckthorn ay doon makikita natin talaga na hina-highlight nito yung antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support na kung saan masasabi natin ito yung mga critical defense mechanism against accelerated telomere shortening. Na kung saan ito yung the very exact pathways na tinutugunan ng C. buckthorn, the hero ingredient ng ating Life Protect. Alright. Siguro ang tanong natin ay bakit C. buckthorn? Okay? Bakit C. buckthorn ang ating hero ingredient? Kasi hindi siya single nutrient. Ulitin ko ang C. buckthorn ay hindi single nutrient. Ang C. buckthorn po ay natural rich in multiple bioactives. Lagi natin inuulit, no? Multiple bioactives. Ano yun? Vitamins, okay? Omega fatty acids, flavonoids and polyphenols, carotenoids, at marami pang iba na hindi natin lahat ito masasaulo, kumbaga. Pero suffice siguro for our presentation na we keep siguro let's remember mga important na mga multiple bioactives na ito dahil marami sila, no? So, but suffice na malaman na natin ito yung mga multiple bioactives na meron sa C. buckthorn. So, ang ibig na sabihin nito ay instead na isang pathway lang ang sinusuportahan, multi-pathway ang support na meron si C. buckthorn. Okay? Like skin barriers. Alright? Cardiovascular markers. Okay? At cellular protection. So yun ang mahalaga na kaya nga ang ating product name is Life Protect, no? Kasi isa yun sa mga pathway na sinusuportahan ng C. buckthorn, cellular protection. At merong isang pag-aaral, no? In 2025, bagong-bago to, no? Pharmacological Review described C. buckthorn as having anti-inflammatory and digestive system regulatory properties based on modern pharmacological studies. Okay? Na kung saan it validates yung multi-system relevance ng C. buckthorn. Okay? So saan ko ito nakita? Itong pangungusap na ito o itong conclusion na ito na sinishare ko sa inyo ngayon. Dito ko po nakita yan sa pag-aaral na ito. Okay? Ang pag-aaral pong ito, nakikita nyo rito sa left side ng inyong screen, ito po ay pinublish, no, sa PubMed Central. And title niya, C. buckthorn Bioactive Metabolites and Their Pharmacological Potential in Digestive Diseases. So ang PMC po, o yung tinatawag na PubMed Central, ay isang library po yan ng puno ng mga scientific studies. Para siyang database kung saan makikita mo ang buong research paper, hindi lang summary. Kaya ang PubMed Central is trusted archive where yung mga full medical research paper are stored. Kaya dito ko po nakita, no, ang ilang mga pag-aaral, scientific studies na may kinalaman sa C. buckthorn. At ito nga po yung sinasabi ko rito, na mula hango po sa pag-aaral na ito na nailathala at aking nakita sa PubMed Central, sinasabi po nga rito na meron pong anti-inflammatory and digestive system regulatory properties po ang Cibactorn. Kaya nakikitaan siya ng potential, pharmacological potential sa mga digestive diseases. So isa lamang po yun sa maaari niya maging kapakinabangan. Alright? So, ano ba ang mga pakinabang? Ano ba yung mga malaking mapapakinabangan natin sa Cibactorn na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect? One of the biggest benefits of Cibactorn na hero ingredient ng Life Protect is its antioxidant defense. Antioxidant defense. Alam niyo po, ang free radicals ay para siyang kalawang sa loob ng katawan. Kaya over time, ito mga free radicals ito, sinisira niya yung mga cells, it damages the cells. The free radicals damages proteins. The free radicals damages DNAs and membranes, no? So talagang dahan-dahan niya tong sinisira ang mga mahalagang sangkap ng ating katawan, lalo-lalo na may kilalaman sa kalusugan ng ating cells. Okay? So, dahil ang Cibactorn po ay nagtataglay ng mga antioxidants gaya ng flavonoids and polyphenols, okay? Ang mga ingredients, ang mga contents na ito, okay, ay paulit-ulit na naiuugnay bilang isang very powerful or potent antioxidant activity. So dahil ang Cibactorns po contain a powerful or a potent antioxidants, flavonoids and polyphenols and many more, meron siyang kakayahan, no, na tulungan or it may help, no, in terms of neutralizing free radicals resulting to reduced oxidative stress. Okay? At ito po ay masasabi po natin, no, na sa mga published reviews, okay? Sa mga published reviews, ang Cibactorn's ingredient properties like ng flavonoids and polyphenols, yung nga po ay paulit-ulit pong na-mention na may kinalaman po bilang a powerful or potent antioxidant activity. Napakahalaga po nito. This is important because antioxidant supports, helps protect cells. Antioxidant supports, helps protect cells from cumulative damages. Okay? Naipon na, no, over time, no? Nasira na ang ating mga ang cells, no? Nagkaroon na ng free radicals, no? Kaya napakahalaga ng Cibactorn dahil mayaman siya sa mga antioxidants na nabanggit na gaya ng flavonoids and polyphenols. So ito po ang unang kapakinabangan ng Life Protect na kung saan ang Cibactorn ang siyang hero ingredients. Mayroon siyang powerful, potent antioxidant defense. Number 2, ikalawang kapakinabangan. Now, dito po, nagiging very relevant dito yung telomeres, no? Nagiging very relevant sa telomeres, sa slide na ito, dahil ang telomeres po ay part of our DNA structure. Okay? So anything that helps protect DNA, anything that helps protect DNA from damages is indirectly relevant to telomere protection. Ulitin ko ha. Anything that helps protect DNA from damage is indirectly relevant to telomere protection. Ngayon po, may pag-aaral. May study po sa environmental and molecular mutagenesis na nagpapakita na yung scientific name ng Cibactorn extra, ng Cibactorn, Hippophae rhamnoides. Okay, I hope I pronounce it well, no? Hippophae rhamnoides extract, okay, protected mitochondrial and genomic DNA from radiation-induced damages. So may pag-aaral dyan na ipublish yan in 2006. So dito makikita natin, no, dito sa 2006 study, published by Shukla et al. And et al. Yung colleagues niya, Shukla and colleagues, concluded that sea buckthorn extract protected both mitochondrial and genomic DNA from radiation-induced damage. Okay? Ngayon, para safe tayo no sa ating pag-share sa mga skeptics. Kasi itong first part na sinabi ko, ito ay sa mga science-oriented prospect no na i-mention natin na may pag-aaral na naalathala sa environmental and molecular mutagenesis na kung saan pinangunahan ito ni Shukla at kanyang mga kasamahan na kung saan ay kanilang na conclude na ang sea buckthorn extract ay mayroong protective benefits no or mayroon siyang protection effect both sa mitochondrial and genomic DNA mula sa mga radiation induced damage. Sa mga skeptic naman, at sasabihin natin, hindi ito ibig sabihin na shield ka na sa lahat ng radiation. Ang conclusion, may observed na DNA protective effect sa study model, which is a meaningful biological signal. So, okay, linawin natin ha. So, hindi tayo nag-overclaim ha o nagsusuper statement. Ang sasabihin lang natin, ang Life Protect, hindi ibig sabihin nito na shield ka na sa lahat ng radiation dahil exposed tayo sa iba't ibang klaseng radiation. Ang sinasabi lang natin, may pag-aaral, okay? Ang conclusion ng pag-aaral, may na-observe na DNA protective effect sa mga study model. Yan, alright? So, ibig sabihin nun, naiingatan. May mga pagsusuri, may mga naobserbahan sila na tila naiingatan ng sea buckthorn ang DNA natin mula sa mga radiation-induced damages. So, alam niyo na yan, no? Paulit-ulit na sinasabi ni Gerson kung ano yung mga pinanggagalingan ng radiation. So, wag na natin talakayin pa yon. So, very obvious na natin kung ano yung mga source of radiation. Ang mahalaga dito sa akin sinasabi na ang ikalawang kapakinabangan na idudulot ng Life Protect na kung saan ang hero ingredient niya ay ang sea buckthorn ay ito pong DNA protection. At hindi lang ito kwentong barbero. Ito po hango sa isang pag-aaral na nalathala way back pa in 2006, 20 years ago, na nakikitaan ng protection both mitochondrial and genomic DNA ang sea buckthorn. Okay? So ito po yon. Nandito po yon sa PubMed. Diyan ko po nakita yan, ha? So, dito nanggagaling yung sinasabi kong studies. Ang PubMed po ay para siyang Google, no? Ang PubMed po ay parang Google but for medical research. Dito hinahanap ng doctors at researchers ang mga scientific studies. Okay? Kaya nga sa simpleng salita, ang PubMed po is one of the most trusted platforms used by doctors to find scientific studies. Kaya dito makikita natin na kapag ito po ang mga sinasabi natin, pag ito po ang ating ipapakita sa mga healthcare professionals, makikinig sila sa inyo. Bakit? Kasi ang sinasabi natin ay mga nalathala na publish na mga pag-aaral. At hindi lang kung saan nating nakuha na mga pangungusap no o mga kwento. So ang mga kwento po natin ay lahat po yan ay hango sa mga published medical research. At dito nga po ko nakita, ito pong sinasabi ko sa inyo na merong DNA protective benefits po ang sea buckthorn na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect. Alright, tuloy tayo. Ikatlong benefit, telomerase-related support. Telomerase-related support. Ang telomerase po is an enzyme that helps maintain and repair telomeres. Ito po yung repair support system ng telomeres, ang telomerase. Ngayon po, meron pong published study in scientific reports about omega-7, no? Na siya ring ingredient tangkap ng Life Protect na kung saan omega-7 oil isolated, no? From sea buckthorn, okay? Increased telomerase activity. Alright, ulit. Okay, ayusin natin ha. Isasabihin ko sa inyo. Meron pong nalathalang pag-aaral sa scientific reports patungkol po sa omega-7 oil isolated from sea buckthorn. At sa pag-aaral pong ito, yung omega-7 increased telomerase activity. Increased telomerase activity and supports, okay, faster wound healing in cell and animal wound models. So pag-aaral po yan. Okay? So ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Alright? Bagamat hindi po ito malaki ang human study, no? This is not yet a large human telomere length trial, but ito po ay nagbibigay sa atin ng very strong biological signal na ang sea buckthorn po na siyang derive po mula sa omega-7 may support telomerase-related pathways na relevant po sa cellular repair and longevity, yung buhay, no, ng cells. So yan pong ibig sabihin ng pag-aaral na ito na naman po natin sa gabing ito. So yung 2021, no, na scientific report study concluded na yung omega-7 oil isolated from sea buckthorn increased telomerase activity and accelerated healing of grafted burn and donor site wounds. Ngayon, para naman po sa mga skeptics, okay? Sa mga tumataas ang kilay, mahalagang note, okay? Sasabihin natin, this is not yet a large human telomere length trial, no? Pero, ang sinasabi nga natin, this provides a strong biological signal or strong biological clue na ang mga sea buckthorn-derived omega-7 may support telomerase-related pathways. So yan po ang sinasabi ng pag-aaral na ito. At saan natin to nakita? Dito po. Sa pag-aaral na ito. Okay? Sa scientific reports na dito po ang pinablish, omega-7 oil increases telomerase activity and accelerates healing of grafted burn and donor sites. Kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina pa, hindi lamang po tayo dito nagsasabi ng ano-ano. Ang mga sinishare ko po sa inyo ay nakahango po ito, based po ito sa mga na-publish na po ng mga clinical and research studies. So tuloy po tayo. Okay. Ayun po, ang ika-apat na kapakinabangan na meron ang Life Protect na kung saan ang sea buckthorn ang kanyang hero ingredient ay ito pong mitochondrial protection. Gaya nga po na ating napag-usapan at ating naririnig, ang mitochondria po are the battery of the cells. Sila po ang energy generators of the cells. Kaya kapag damage ang mitochondria, mas mabilis mapagod ang cells at mas mataas ang oxidative stress. Ngayon po, sea buckthorn has been studied, no? Pinag-aralan po ang sea buckthorn for mitochondrial protection, especially against oxidative and radiation-induced damages. So kita nyo, pinag-aralan, no? Ang sea buckthorn sa usapin ng mitochondrial protection. Na kung saan, kung ang sea buckthorn po ay sa pag-aaral, ay tila nakakatulong para labanan ang mga oxidative stress at mga radiation-induced damages. Yan nga po, no, sa sinabi natin kanina ng pag-aaral. So, yung study po, ang conclusion po ng pag-aaral ay the same DNA protection study reported, of mitochondrial DNA, okay, The same DNA protection study reported protection of mitochondrial DNA, which is important because mitochondria are highly vulnerable to oxidative damage. Kaya yan po yan ha. Highly vulnerable sa mga oxidative damage. So pag-aaral po yan. Okay? Kaya dito makikita natin sa simpleng pananalita, healthy mitochondria means better energy support at the cellular level. Okay? Yun lang po ang ibig sabihin in a simple statement. Healthy mitochondria means better energy support at the cellular level. Kaya ito po ang ika-4 na benefit ng Life Protect na kung saan ang hero ingredient ay ang C-Bactorn. Saan ko po nalaman yun? Ito po yun, no? Alright, no? So ito yung pag-aaral natin. Sabi ko lang sa inyo kanina, ano yung PubMed? So nandito, nakita natin, protection from radiation-induced mitochondrial and genomic DNA damage by an extract of Hippophae raminoides, which is in layman's, yung general, ang kanyang term, is, another term is yung C-Bactorn. Alright. Ang ikalimang benefit po ng Life Protect na kung saan ang hero ingredient ay ang C-Bactorn ay inflammation and immune balance. Alam niyo po, ang chronic inflammation is one of the silent drivers of aging. Okay? Hindi natin agad ramdam, pero over the period of time, it can damage tissues and cells. Kaya nga po, ang C-Bactorn po has been studied, no? Pinag-aralan po siya for anti-inflammatory activity and immune modulating effects. Dahil ang layunin po, ang goal is not just a stronger immune system, dapat po balance din po ang immune response. So ulitin ko po ang goal ng pag-aaral ay hindi lamang mapalakas ang immune system, dapat din po ay balanse ang tugon ng immune system sa mga damages, be it radiation-induced or oxidative stress. Ngayon po, sa isang pag-aaral, 2024 paper review, C-Bactorn and atherosclerosis. Naririnig niyo yung medical term na yan, atherosclerosis is noted, clinical studies shows na ang C-Bactorn can help regulate blood pressure, blood lipids, and blood glucose, na kung saan factors related to metabolic and inflammatory stress. Yan. So siguro, wala akong pagdududa, marami kayong mga kaibigan, kakilala, o binabahagian ng Life Protect na may gaytong mga issues sa kailang health. Hypertension, okay, atherosclerosis, high blood sugar, okay? At may pag-aaral po, no, na ang C-Bactorn po ay nakikitaan ng mga ebidensya na nakakatulong po ito para i-regulate po yung blood pressure, blood lipids, and blood glucose. So napakaganda pong produkto talaga na meron ang Life Protect because of its hero ingredient na C-Bactorn. Ngayon, saan ko ito nakita? Yan. Alright? Saan natin ito nakita? Nakita po natin ito muli sa isang journal na ang tawag ay Journal of Functional Foods. So ang Journal of Functional Foods po ay isang scientific journal na nagpo-focus po sa mga pagkain at natural ingredients at kung paano sila nakaka-affect sa health ng katawan. So hindi lang siya about nutrition, kundi kung paano nakakatulong ang food sa prevention, wellness at body function. Yan po ang layunin ng journal na ito. At itong sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung saan kung paano nakakatulong ang C-Bactorn na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect sa pag-regulate ng blood pressure, blood lipids, and blood glucose. Dito po galing yun sa journal na ito. Okay? So yan po siya. Ngayon, so pagkatapos natin malaman ang 5 benefits, no? So, sige po, balikan lang natin ha. Paupahin niyo po, pero balikan lang natin para sa kaalaman natin lahat. Ay kung kaya niyo po itong i-memorize, mas maganda. So ano ang 5 benefits na taglay ang Life Protect na kung saan ang hero ingredient ay ang sea buckthorn? Una, antioxidant defense. Pangalawa, DNA protection. Pangatlo, telomerase-related support. Pang-apat, mitochondrial protection. At pang-5, inflammation at immune balance. So lahat po nito ay ating napatunayan mula sa mga published journals, clinical studies na aking na-mention. Na kung saan akin lang pong kinote, no, o hinango yung mga bagay na sinasabi ko sa inyo sa gabing ito mula sa mga nasabing mga journals or clinical studies. Ngayon po, let's proceed sa equally important sa mga skeptical audience natin o prospect. Important ang human clinical studies. Okay, ha? Totoo yun. Mahalaga ang mga pag-aaral na kung saan ang mismong sangkatauhan ang pinaggamitan. Alright? May mga clinical studies na nagpapakita na ang sea buckthorn po help dry eye symptoms at tinatawag na tear film osmolarity. Medyo mabigat po yung term, no? Pero siguro po sa simpleng kaisipan na lang, ito lang tandaan natin, na merong pag-aaral, double blind, no? RCT. Ibig sabihin nun, double blind randomized controlled trial. Na-publish po sa Journal of Nutrition na kung saan yung 2 grams of sea buckthorn oil daily for 3 months ay nakakatulong sa mga dry-eyed symptoms and tear film osmolarity or mga dry eye symptoms na sinasabi natin. Okay? So may studies din po na ang sea buckthorn po ay nagpapakita ng improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and wrinkles or reduced roughness. So these are not direct telomerase study, ha. Hindi to mga direct telomere studies, but ito po ay nagpapakita, it shows yung real human effects ng sea buckthorn on tissues affected by inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular aging. So yan po, no? Ang isang pag-aaral. Ang ito pong double blind randomized trial na to, ay sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, ay nadathala po sa the Journal of Nutrition. Okay? Kaya nga po nakita na 2 grams of sea buckthorn oil daily for 3 months. At another study po rin po na kung saan ay reported improved hydration, elasticity, and roughness or wrinkle-related measures, either after topical or oral use. O ngayon, baka tanongin sa akin, saan ko naman to nakita? Alright? Saang pag-aaral or journal kung nakita itong human clinical evidence na ito? Nandito po siya sa PubMed muli, yung pag-aaral. At isa po sa isa pang article na ito po naman ang title. Okay? So, lahat po ito may mga clinical evidence or support. Alright. Ano ba? Ang clinical studies meron pa tayo. So, for example, sa mga dry-eyed symptoms, okay, makakatulong ang Life Protect. Lalo na karamihan sa atin, no? Yung screen time, no? Very exposed tayo sa mga gadgets. So, kaya nga sa ophthalmology business industry, naku po, ang laki ng benta ng mga drops, no? Dahil sa mga dry eye symptoms. Okay? So, dito makikita natin, no? Na ang Life Protect through sea buckthorn properties ng ingredient, meron siya, makakatulong po ito sa ganung mga optical conditions. And even sa dermatological conditions like yung sa skin issues. Okay. Ngayon po, ang telomere protection po is not isolated. Okay? If mataas po ang inflammation, ang blood sugar, ang blood lipids, at ang oxidative stress, mas stressed ang cells. At kapag mas stressed ang cells, ang equals nito ay mas mabilis na cellular aging. So may pag-aaral po na kung saan ay sinasabi na yung sea buckthorn juice and extracts ay napag-aralan na meron po siyang lipid or cholesterol and cardiovascular risk markers. Ano yung mga cardiovascular risk markers? Ito, nakikita niyo ito sa mga blood chem nyo. Total cholesterol, triglyceride, LDL o yung tinatawag natin bad cholesterol, and HDL o yung good cholesterol. So nakita rito sa isang pag-aaral na ang sea buckthorn po ay significantly reduces ito pong mga cardiovascular risk factors. Lalong-lalo na sa mga individuals na meron ng existing cardiovascular risk factors. So, ang conclusion po, no, ng pag-aaral, sabi po rito, in 2023, okay, clinical study in women na merong hypercholesterolemia or high level of cholesterol in the blood, use 50 ml ng sea buckthorn juice daily for 8 weeks and monitored blood composition, monitored body composition, lipid profiles, inflammatory markers, and even liver and kidney markers. So nakita po natin yan, no? Mga pag-aaral po yan. Tapos po, yung 2017 na systematic review and meta-analysis reported na yung sea buckthorn po supplementation significantly nga po reduced total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol and increased good cholesterols sa mga individuals na meron na pong cardiovascular risk but not necessarily in healthy subjects. Okay? So, ang mas accurate na sabihin natin sa mga skeptics dyan ay ito. Ang resulta po ng sea buckthorn or ng Life Protect ay promising. Okay? The results are promising, especially in people na may mga existing risk factors but not uniform for everyone. So, ibig ko lang sabihin is that ang Life Protect po is not a one size fits all, no, kind of a product. All right? Kung healthy individual ka, obviously, wala kang issue ng high total cholesterol, high triglyceride, high LDL, and low good cholesterol. Kasi healthy ka nga eh. Meron kang ibang health issues but not necessarily related sa cardiovascular risk. Pero sa mga tao na meron ng mga existing cardiovascular risk, promising ang ino-offer ng Life Protect because of its hero ingredient na sea buckthorn. Okay? So saan ko naman to ano naman basis ko sa pagsasabi ko nito? Dito po yan. Okay? Sa PubMed muli. Particularly po sa isang journal ang tawag ay Trends in Food Science and Technology. Doon po siya na-publish specifically. Okay? Ang Trends in Food Science and Technology po, isa po siyang scientific journal na hindi lang naglalabas ng single studies, kundi nagko-compile ng findings mula sa maraming research. So instead na sa isang experiment lang, makikita natin sa mga journals na ito yung overall direction ng science about food, nutrition, and health. And here particularly, no? Dito na particularly, ang pinag-aralan ay ang effect ng sea buckthorn. Yan. So na-publish yan sa Trends in Food Science and Technology. So dyan ko po siya pinaste. Yung aking mga sinishare sa inyo. So bilang panghuli, okay. So tapos na tayo. This will be my last slide. So anong key takeaway natin? So ang key takeaway natin is this, no? Na ang Life Protect through its hero ingredient na sea buckthorn, it offers a balanced and scientific conclusion. So ano ang fair and scientific conclusion? Ang sea buckthorn na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect is not a magic nature's pharmacy in sachet. Okay? It's not a magic nature's pharmacy in a sachet. Okay? Kaya hindi natin dapat sabihin na guaranteed. No? Kapag uminom ka ng Life Protect, guaranteed. Huwag natin sabihin yon. Hindi dapat natin sabihin na guaranteed ahaba ang telomeres o hindi magkakasakit. Huwag natin sabihin yon. Sa halip, ang ating sasabihin ay may mga published studies that supports na ang sea buckthorn na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect may help the body through antioxidant defense, DNA protection, telomerase-related activity, mitochondrial protection, inflammation, and immune balance. And needless to say, meron din siyang skin, eye, metabolic, and cardiovascular support sa mga human studies. So, for telomeres, no, na siya ating binibigyan ng pansin at diin, the best positioning is this. Ang C-Bactor na siyang hero ingredient ng Life Protect helps create a healthier cellular environment. Pag sinabi natin healthier cellular environment, less oxidative stress, less inflammation, better DNA protection. Mga conditions na mahalaga in support of telomere health. Kaya nga, ang nice nating iwan na pangungusap sa mga ating sinesharean ng Life Protect ay ang Life Protect na kung saan ang C-Bactor, ang hero ingredient na ito, will protect the cell environment and will support healthier aging from within. So yun po ang gusto natin iwan sa kanila. Kaya Life Protect, protect the cell environment, and you support healthier aging from within. So in that note, maraming po salamat sa inyong pakikinig at ako'y umaasa na sana po ako po'y nakapagbigay ng kaunting information sa inyo upang mas lalo tayo maging equipped with the knowledge for us to be effective and to be effective in our sharing of this promising product, Life Protect, na kung saan ang kanyang hero ingredient ay ang C-Bactor. So with that, thank you very much, and ibabalik ko na ulit ang ating presentation kay Sir Bernie. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Alexander Gerasmio, for the in-depth presentation. We learned that telomeres are the markers and indicators of cellular aging, that C-Bactor supports several mechanisms to healthy aging, that according to PubMed, C-Bactor protected both mitochondria and genomic DNA from radiation-induced damage, so telomeres are protected over time. And the importance of our DNA and telomeres and Life Protect with C-Bactor, ayan, quote-unquote, is nature's pharmacy, according to PubMed, as applied as direct DNA protection or biological armor. And now we come to another exciting presentation, our compensation plan. Our next world-class speaker for our first-time guest. Siya po ay isang registered nurse. He graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim ang kanyang pagnanasa na tayo'y yumaman at magbago ang antas ng ating buhay, ng ating pamilya at maging ng buong pamayanan. Kasabihan nga, hindi bali ng mamroblema basta may pera, kaysa mamroblema na walang pera. So kailangan tayong lumusog, at the same time, kailangan tayong magkapera para magamit sa kaluwalhatian ng Diyos sa pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan. So ang ating world-class speaker, siya po ay isang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging regional stockist, a country representative, our financer, but despite of all his achievements, he's very much approachable, very humble, very kind, a down-to-earth person. Madarama mo din sa kanya ang tender loving care na gaya ng ating mga ipinagmamalaki mga overseas Filipino nurses. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart na maglingkod. At dahil siya ay isang totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, eka nga, ay mababakas natin sa kanya ang ebidensya ng isang kutis mayaman at kutis celebrity like John Lloyd Cruz. Is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Parreño.
Ay, grabe, Coach Bernie. Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. Grabe. Anyway, once again, welcome po no sa ating Zoom meeting. All right. And right now no as what we have heard by Dr. Alex no and talagang napakatindi ng ating produkto at saka masasabi nating one of a kind talaga. And you know what? Ang kagandahan dito dahil ito ay formulated po no dito lang po sa ating LifeMax Global. So hindi nyo po ito basta-basta or hindi nyo po ito mahanap sa iba. It is just available here at LifeMax Global, ang ating Life Protect. Wow! So, and by the way, yung ating produkto pala ay powder extract po siya no na inilagay sa ating sachet no. So we've intended to use the powder extract para mas mabilis yung absorption rate niya no over nasa 90 to 95%, and it is directly to your bloodstream. And of course since hindi na kailangan ano pa na may tunawin pa since hindi siya nakakapsul, so kidney safe po siya no. Kaya naman yung ating Life Protect ay napaka galing talaga at so far no sa mga nakatake mabilis yung ano no yung effect niya. All right. And yung isang sachet natin no, it contains around 3,000 milligrams. So therefore, yung isang sachet natin para ka na ring uminom ng 6 na kapsula. Or if you're fanatic with supplements no na nakakapsul, so ito ay equivalent sa 6 na capsule po no. And sa isang box it contains around 14 sachet. All right. So the question right now is how much po, magkano po ang ating isang box ng Life Protect no. Actually as you have heard by Doc Alex, grabe yung ingredients or yung isa sa mga hero ingredient po natin. Kaya naman po no talagang itong ating formulation according to ang ating formulator no, we could price this one as much as 11,200. Yun ang ano niya, yun ang equivalent niya. Kumbaga yun ang yung value ng ating produkto. But of course, we don't want na maraming hindi makapag-take at hindi makapag experience ng ating produkto. Kaya naman instead of pricing it for 11,200, we price it for only 2,500. Yan. And good news, dahil sa isang box pa lang, you are automatically member na sa LifeMax Global. All right. So ito yung ating business opportunity na meron tayo, no? Kung gaano kaganda yung ating produkto, ganun din ka tindi yung ating yung ating opportunity we have with LifeMax Global. All right. Okay. So make money with LifeMax Global. How to be a business associate. Okay? So be an entrepreneur, no registration fee, just simply purchase the product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption, no quota or mandatory maintenance, business with no boundaries, real-time commission, daily payout, generous compensation program, unlimited income potential, claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no fee fare, trip incentive, and travel rewards. Okay, our offer. Okay, so we offer premium products, a high consumable and delivers measurable result. We ultimate comp plan, reliable, safe, and long-term. And third, rewards and bonuses, multiple revenue streams, and huge reward points. Okay, so as a LifeMax Global Business Associate, you can be any of the following. So you could be a consumer, you could be an entrepreneur, or both. You could do consumer and entrepreneur. Okay, so how to become a business associate? To get started with LifeMax Global Business, just purchase any of these 5 business packages. So it's your discretion po kung saan po ninyo gustong magsimula. So, these are the packages or the options, no? Okay? So, we have tinatawag natin na light pack. Okay? So, 1 box po yan. Alright? We have core pack, 2 boxes. We have pro pack, 4 boxes. We have master pack, 16 boxes. And we have an infinity pack, 40 boxes. Ito yung kagandahan. Dahil sa program po ng ating LifeMax Global, kahit nag-umpisa lang po kayo sa light pack, you have the chance na maging or later na maging infinity pack kahit na through your wala ka nang ipapalabas na pera or you could upgrade your account through your network as you grow your network and your business. Yan. Okay, so 5 ways to earn po tayo, no? Earn LifeMax dollars and get products for free. May free pa. Yan. So, first way to earn, we have this outright commission. Ang ating Life Protect, the suggested retail price po is 2,500. Okay? So, as a member price, ito ay nabibili lang for only 2,100 per box. Ayan. So automatically pag nakabenta kayo no sa retail, so meron agad kayong outright commission na 400 pesos per box. Ayan. Okay, so dito ito yung mga packages natin, no? So like for example, ito yung for example, ikaw po ay nagsimula sa core pack. You have 2 boxes, no? So binenta mo. So we are kumbaga ito yung nasa direct sales po, no? Sa kung mahilig ka magbenta-benta, so pwede mo dito umpisahan, no? For example, nag-umpisa ka ng core pack, so mayroon kang 2 box. So times mo ng 400, so you get direct sales profit in 800 yung outright commission mo. Okay, when you start from Pro Pack na may 4 na box po yan, so times mo ng 400, pwede mo ibenta-benta. So, meron kang chance na kumita ng 1,600 sa outright commission mo. Pag Master Pack, 16 boxes po yan. So, times 400, that's 6,400. Pag Infinity Pack naman, 40 boxes, binenta mo yan. No? Kung mahilig ka talaga magbenta, so times 400, meron kang 16,000 pesos sa outright commission mo pa lang yan, sa benta-benta lang. Alright. And aside from that, hindi lang po dyan, kumbaga, hindi lang po dyan nag-stop. Kumbaga, meron pa tayo yung ating second referral commission, yung ways to earn, no? Yung ating referral commission. Okay, so iba pa po yun sa ating outright commission. So aside from that, meron pa po tayong referral commission. Alright? So yung ating referral commission will be depending sa ating packages or entries na kinuha. Like for example, you are a light pack. Okay? So light pack, automatically 20% po kayo no sa referral bonus. Sa isang box, meron kayong $4. Okay? So core pack 25%. Every box na may refer nyo, meron kayong $5. Pag pro pack kayo, 30%, $6. Master packs, 35%, $7. Infinity pack, 40%. That's $8 per box. And how about if you are a light pack, nakapag-refer po kayo ng Infinity pack. Okay? So yung Infinity pack, as what we have said, 40 boxes po yan. So 40 light pack naka-refer ka ng Infinity. So 40 times $4, you get a referral bonus of $160. How about naman kung core pack po kayo, nakapag-refer po kayo ng Infinity pack, so 5 times 40, that's around $200 referral bonus. Pag Pro pack naman, $6 per box. Okay? So, pag naka-refer kayo ng Infinity, so 6 times 40, that's $240. And pag Master Pack kayo, $7 per box, nakapag-refer kayo ng Infinity, so 7 times 40, $280. And ito yung malupit. Dahil pag ikaw po ay Infinity Pack, you will get the highest referral, no? commission, which is the 40% based on the point value, $8 per box. So therefore, pag nakapag-refer kayo ng Infinity Pack, so that's 40 boxes. So 8 times 40, you have a referral bonus of $320. And guess what? Pag nasa highest position na kayo or sa highest package na kayo, wala itong demotion. So therefore, you will be enjoying the benefit of 40% referral bonus on the based on the point value. So may enjoy niyo po lifetime po 'yan. So as you refer dito sa LifeMax Global. Okay. So third way to earn, we have this binary plan bonus. So yung ating binary plan bonus naman are every time every time na may isang box ka, by the way, yung isang box natin 20 points po 'yan, 20 PB, no? Like for example, 20 yung ating binary bonus kasi, kumbaga this is a computer generated system. Every time na ma-detect sa system na mayroong pumasok or nag-entry or nag-repurchase, mag-entry ng isang box on the left, isang box on the right, automatically there's a match. Every time na there's a match, you will be enjoying another commission called the pairing bonus sa ating binary plan bonus. That would be $4 every match. Okay? So, how about kung core pack on the left, core pack on the right? So, 2 bucks on the left, 2 bucks on the right. And as what I have said, every 1 bucks on the left, 1 bucks on the right, $4. So, pag core pack ka, so meaning to say you have 2 $4, so that's $8, no? So, down the line. So, how about pag infinity on the left, infinity on the right? So, 40 boxes on the left, 40 boxes on the right. So, there's a 40 matches, a 40 match, no? Kumbaga, yan, magma-match yan, no? Left and right. So, you will be enjoying $160. So, the good thing with our binary plan bonus, it is infinity, no? So, yan, down the line po yan. Okay? For example, ikaw po ay isang light account, no? Nakapag-refer kayo ng dalawa. So, since light account ka, you will be enjoying $4 every referral bonus. So, you get $8. Then, there's a match, $4. Ayan. Yung dalawa mo na nakuha, nagkuha din ng tigda dalawa, no? So, every match, $4. And another match, $4. So, $12 in total. And yung dalawa, on the 2 on the left, 2 on the right, nag-apat, kumbaga nag-dalawa-dalawa na naman, no? Ayan. So, every match, $4, $4, $4, and $4. So, up to infinity. Ayan. Okay. So, yung binary income potential po natin, no, sa ating LifeMax Global, yung maximum bonus pairing na pwede nating i-enjoy. Okay? So, it will be depending on your package, no? For example, pag light ka, yung maximum bonus pairing na pwede mo enjoy is up to $300 or 21,000. Pag core pack ka naman, $600 or 42,000 peso. Pag pro pack, $3,600 or 250,000 peso. Pag master, 7,200 or 504,000 peso. Pag infinity naman, $12,000 or 840,000 peso. So the question right now is, ano po ba to, sir? Kumbaga, monthly ba ito pwedeng kitain? Weekly ba? Or yes, it could be per week, per day, or per hour, or per minute. No? So depende po sa lakas ng iyong group sales. Yan. So how to upgrade my account? Okay. So dito sa system ni LifeMax, based po tayo sa capping. Okay, paano ito? How it works? So, every time na meron kang kita or meron kang commission, no? Every commission, 10% of that, no, on your overall bonus, it will be automatically deducted for your upgrade or capping. So, therefore, every time magkita ka, automatic nakasegregate na yung 10%, no? So, it will segregately goes to your upgrade. Like for example, if your light account, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is $300. So 10% of that, that's $30. Okay, so nakasegregate na po yan, no? So pag nakita mo na may $30 ka na, okay, so you reach the capping, what you will do is just click, okay? I-click mo yung button na yan, claim, okay? So pag na-click mo na yan, automatically, meron kang counterpart dyan na produkto. Meron kang isang box, i-claim mo isang box. And the good thing here, pag upon clicking the button, no, nakakuha ka ng isang box, and automatically, your account from Light account will be upgraded to your account. So this time, yung referral bonus mo from $4 giging $5 na. So the question here is, how about si upline? Ito yung kagandahan ng ating program, no? Every time mag-upgrade po, no? Si downline or yung partner niya down the line, no? Every time mag-upgrade, he or she will enjoy the referral bonus. So aakyat ngayon yung referral bonus, no? And pag nasa weak leg pa yung nag-upgrade, automatically meron pa siyang pairing bonus or binary bonus. So ito yung kagandahan dito dahil every time may mag-upgrade down the line ni upline, automatically aakyat yung mga other bonuses like referral bonus at saka yung binary bonus. Okay, so from core account, ang maximum naman yan is $600, yung maximum na pwedeng kitain as a core account. So this time, pag na-accumulate mo na yung $600 na commission mo, automatically, unti-unti na segregate, no? Yung 10%, okay? So meron ka ding $60 na nakasegregate. So, as what I have said, no, every time na nag-reach mo na yung capping, i-click mo naman yung yung upgrade mo, no? Okay, yung itong wallet mo, upgrade wallet mo, so that's 60. Pag-click mo niyan, okay? Pag-click mo niyan, automatically the system or the company will give you another 2 boxes. Since every box $30 po yan, so since 60 po ito, so you got 2 boxes. Okay, so aside from your 2 boxes, your account from core account, magiging pro account po yan. No? So this time, from core account na $5 yung referral bonus mo. So ang ma-enjoy mo na dito dahil since you're upgraded to pro account, magiging $6 na. Every box ang ma-enjoy mo na referral. Okay, so at the same manner, no, si upline, of course, automatic yan, no? Si upline tatanggap din ng referral bonus. So, to cut the long story short, every time may mag-upgrade, every time may mag-capping, aakyat yung referral bonus kay upline. Like for example, pro account, 3,600 na yung maximum income nakikitain. So 360, 10% of that, 360 will be segregated. I-click na naman yan. So same manner, it will be upgraded yung account to master account. Then, mayroon pa siyang boxes. Then, automatic si upline kikita na naman. So, walang katapusan kita. Kaya dito, you will be expecting the 100 support, no, ni upline. Ayan. Dahil talagang ito ay ano siya, no? Kumbaga very compensated talaga, no? Yan. So income cap 7,200, then yung nakasegregate diyan is $720. So automatically pag nakiklik naman yan, meron na namang products na diyan, yung equivalent sa pag-claim mo, okay? So automatically, pag-click mo na naman yan, aside from your product, you will be upgraded up to infinity. Kaya yung sinabi ko kanina, kahit light account lang po kayo, no? Every time you upgrade, no? As your business grows, as your network grows, as your income grows, automatically, ma-upgrade yung account niyo po. Yan. Up until sa time na magiging infinity na po siya. Okay, so at least clear po tayo dito. Ito po yung ating capping system. So win-win po ito. So hindi lang po si downline na mag-enjoy, pati po si upline. Okay. Yan. So the power of 3 global accounts. So here in LifeMax Global, you have or you are allowed to have a maximum of 3 accounts. 3 accounts po tayo. Okay? So here in LifeMax Global, you can start at 3 tatlong light account. Okay? It's up to you if you think na gusto mong i-maximize yung opportunity, yung negosyo na hatid ni LifeMax Global, pwede. Okay, so you could start from 3 Core, 3 Pro, 3 Master, or 3 Infinity. No? So tatlong Infinity. No? So depende na yon, no? Discretion mo na yon kung saan mong gustong mag-umpisa. Okay, for example, assuming you want to you are decided na you want to do this LifeMax Global business big time. So you want to maximize or to position your account in the maximum potential. So you've got the 3 Infinity account, no? So kinuha mo is tatlong Infinity account. So what you will do is after you have or you get your 3 accounts, 3 Infinity accounts, okay? Tatlong account mo. What you will do is just get 4 leaders, no? 4 na partners na pwede ding mag-duplicate sa ginawa mo, no? So 4 na partner na each of them will also do the same. They will also get 3 Infinity, no? So ano yung potential na pwedeng kitain? Like for example, ito, no? So 4 na leader na kumuha din ng tatlong Infinity. So ano yung potential na pwedeng kitain? Okay. All right. So here's the here's the yung calculation, no? If ma-achieve mo ito, no? So on the level 1, on the first level, no? So the time na kumuha ka ng tatlong Infinity, then you get also 4 partners or 4 leaders that will do the same, no? Tatlong Infinity. So each of them get 3 Infinity, okay? So nakompleto mo yung level 1 mo, yung 4 na kumuha ng tatlong Infinity. So magkano yung pwedeng potential na kikitain mo? So you have a maximum potential income of 3,200 or 224,000 in peso. Ayan. So anong next mong gagawin, no? So yung 4 na leaders mo, no, na kumuha ng tatlong Infinity, what you will do is teach them, train them, empower them to get also to duplicate or to get also 4 leaders. Each of them get 4 leaders na tatlong Infinity. So pag nakompleto po yan ng yung 4 na leaders mo, nakompleto nila yung tig-4 din nila on the second level. So you have a potential income of 3,840 or dollar or 268,800 in peso. Ayan. So on the third level, no, 16 Infinities will do the same, no? Each of them, okay? So remind them to get also 4 leaders, okay? So they will do the same, duplicate. On the third level, 7,680 or 537,600 and peso, no? So on the fourth level, no, same din, nagduplicate. On the level 4, $15,360 or 1,075,200. Okay? On the fifth level, naging 1,024 na po. Lahat yan, no? Okay? So, this time, your income, no, nasa 30,000 or 2.1 million. Alright? On the level 6, no? So, hindi lang po dito nag-stop yan. Kumbaga, ano yan? Dito, assuming dito lang muna, no, sa 6th level, no? So na kumpleto natin 'yan, okay? On the 6th level, okay? So ang potential na pwede mong kitain on this level, you have $61,440,000 or 4.3 million. So in the 6th level, deep lang, calculate natin. Dito pa lang, no? So kasi hindi lang nag-stop diyan, up to infinity kasi ito, no? So in this level pa lang na kumpleto mo, no? So you've got in total yung income around nasa 8.5 million in peso. Wow! So that's talagang napakaganda o talagang ito ay kung talagang gusto mo rin gawin itong big time, yes, pwede po talaga. Okay. So on the fourth way to earn natin, we have this repurchase program. So instead of using the Unilevel, we use this repurchase program. So yung repurchase program natin, okay? So pag ikaw ay nag-repurchase, like for example, you repurchase, no? Ito, no? For example, Infinity account ka, okay? So assuming you are an Infinity account, ngayon nag-purchase ka at in-encode mo sa sarili mo lang, no? That's that we call the repurchase. Okay? So nag-repurchase ka ng isang light account mo or light $1, no? Okay? So automatically pag repurchase ang na-click mo na button, hindi po aakyat yung referral bonus kay apply. It will be kumbaga papasok po ito sa dashboard nyo po, no? So on your personal account, okay? Like for example, yung Infinity, okay, $8 will reflect or will generate on your dashboard. Okay, papasok po sa sarili nyong dashboard. So how about si Upline? Ang kagandahan dito, every time mag-repurchase ka, so meron niyang equivalent na point value. So yung point value na yon, aakyat ngayon yun sa kay Upline. So therefore, dito sa LifeMax Global, every time na may bagong mag-member, you will be enjoying the pairing bonus, magpe-pairing ka. Every time mag-upgrade, no, or capping, pe-pairing ka na naman. Every time mag-repurchase yung down the line mo, no, then nagmamatch sa strong leg mo, then automatically meron ka na namang pairing na bonuses. So dito, every time may transaction, meron kang matching bonus. Kaya tinawag tong redundant binary. Okay, so how about if you want to maximize, no? Yung maximize if you have the 3 accounts. So for me, I'm encouraging, no, na lahat ng talagang sa tingin nyo ay magandang opportunity si LifeMax, then I suggest to, maximize the 3 accounts talaga. Okay? So ito, dito, pag meron kang account na tatlo, no? For example, Infinity account, then you have account 2, account 3. On your third account, nandun yung strong leg mo. Okay? So what you will do right now, if you are planning to repurchase, so you will be i-click mo or i-repurchase mo on the weaker leg, no? Weak leg, no? So dito, for example, repurchase, you're planning to repurchase the one Infinity. Okay, i-repurchase mo ngayon on your weak leg. So papasok yun ngayon. Automatically, yung referral bonus papasok sa main account. Okay? So you've got $320 plus here mayroon pa itong bangga. Since mayroon kang strong leg, may match pa yan. Ayan, so $160, no? So here in yung tatlong account mo, no? So you will not just enjoying the referral bonus as well as meron ka pang mai-enjoy na another binary bonus. Kaya mas strategic siya if you have 3 accounts. Yan. So, yan ha, tinuruan ko na kayo ha. So, paano yung mga diskarte? So, ito. So, referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. Referral bonus depends on the entry package. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under your network makes a repurchase. Yan. Okay, so payout percentage, cash out 80%, capping 10%, redemption 10%, total of 100%. So, by the way, yung redemption nyo, pwede nyo po i-convert ito ng product. Okay. So here in the leadership bonus reward, the last ways to earn po natin, okay? So on the last, yung fifth way to earn po natin, ito ay, kumbaga, add-on na lang po ito. And yung sa apat pa lang na first 4 ways to earn, talagang sulit na, okay? But here in the leadership bonus reward, ang kagandahan po dito, we this this program, no, kumbaga wala po itong reset. Yung program ito, yung leadership bonus reward, naka-accumulative po ito, plus wala po itong time frame. Kaya here at the leadership bonus reward, we see to it na lahat po ng mga leaders na talagang tatrabahuin at siseryosohin si LifeMax, they will be enjoying. We can assure na meron talaga silang remembrance dito sa LifeMax Global. Kaya naman, no? So ito, like example. Okay. So here in the leadership bonus reward, what we do is we just require yung accumulation income, no? Yung requirements dito is the accumulation income, okay? For example, ang maximo, yung accumulation income mo is 2,500, no? Sa referral at saka sa binary, umabot ka na ngayon ng 2,500, okay? Na kita. Pag kumita ka ng 2,500, aside sa kita mo na 2,500, no, meron kang to infinity direct, okay, kahit na nag-umpisa sila sa light, then nag-upgrade, basta to infinity direct, you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. This time, as a Quartz Ambassador, okay, so you will be given a smartphone or any gadgets worth 15,000 peso, okay? So, plus product redemption reward, $50, plus mayroon ka pang plaque. Yan. Okay? So, Amethyst Builder, no, from 2,500, nag-accumulate yan, naging 3,000, naging 4,000, naging 5,000. Here, you will be ranked as Amethyst Builder. So, as Amethyst Builder, ang isa sa mga requirement mo lang is 6 Infinity Direct. This time around, you will be rewarded a local travel incentive going to El Nido, no? Or it's either Boracay or Siargao. So, it's up to you then. So, you have the option, no, to decide kung ano yung gusto mong puntahan. That would be 4 days and 3 nights. So, product redemption reward plus $150. Ayan, mas may plaque ka pa. Okay? So, from 5,000, naging 6,000, naging 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, plus mayroon ka 15 Infinity Direct. Here, no, you will be ranked as an Emerald Manager. So, as an Emerald Manager, okay, so, this time, you will be given down payment, a reward, or for your car plan. Okay? So, down payment worth 60,000. So, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong sasakyan. Okay? A sedan, no? Basically, this is a sedan. Or, you could have your iPhone, no? 17. Depende na lang yan kung ano yung latest on that time, no? Kung na-achieve mo ito. Okay? So, product redemption, $300. Okay? So, from Emerald Manager, no, na 10,000, it accumulate up to 25,000, no? Umabot ka na ng 25,000. This time around, yung rank mo, you will be ranked as a Sapphire Executive. So, as a Sapphire Executive, you will be rewarded again travel incentive trip to Thailand. No? So, ito yung kagandahan dahil of course, alam naman natin na hindi papayag yung partner natin na hindi magkasama yan. Okay? So, kaya dito, this is a good for two, no? Good for two na travel. Okay? Yan. Okay, wait lang. Okay? So, trip travel, okay? So, after the Sapphire Executive, okay, from 25,000 naging 50,000 na. Here yung rank mo na is magiging Ruby Crown ka na. So, as a Ruby Crown, you will be given another travel incentive. Also good for two, that's travel incentive going to Japan or South Korea. No? Okay, so that would be 6 days and 5 nights plus 1,000 product redemption. Okay? So, from Ruby Crown, from 50,000 hanggang umabot ng 100,000, this time around, magiging Diamond Supreme ka na. as a Diamond Supreme, you will be given a reward, luxury items, Rolex, Louis Vuitton, or Balenciaga. Pili lang po tayo. Okay, so plus product redemption of 2,500. Okay, so after the Diamond Supreme, dito sa LifePacks, of course, you will not just our partners, our distributors, but you could be also be a shareholder, no? Pag ma-hit mo na itong or na-achieve mo na ito yung accumulation. Okay? So, junior shareholder, as a junior shareholder, meron kang profit share, okay? Plus, of course, you'll be given a down payment for your Montero or Fortuner. But I guess right now, syempre, malakas na ang mga EV, so it's up to you then. Okay, so these are just example, no? Basta you will be given an amount for your new car, no? Kung sa sasakyan mo, no? SUV down payment. Okay? So from junior shareholder, naging senior shareholder ka na. So this time around, you will be given a profit share. Aside from a profit share, you will be given a down payment for your housing plan. No, that's worth of 250,000 plus 10,000 worth of product redemptions. So yan pa lang, panalong-panalo na. No, may rolling products ka pa. Then here, last but not the least, you will become as itong major shareholder natin. No, so a company this time you will be given a company share also, a profit share, plus a travel incentive reward good for 2 trip to Europe. So that would be a 12 days and 11 nights. So plus 15,000 worth of product redemption. So kaya naman dito sa LifeMax Global, very rewarding kung tatrabahuin, no? Kung talagang kumbaga siseryosohin. Kaya naman here in LifeMax Global, compensated sa mga income, mga kitaan, napaka ganda, napaka doable po ng ating compensation plan. Okay. So, okay, sabi nga dito, no, the only possible journey is the one you never begin. So, what you need to do is just decide and let's begin. Yan. So, by the way, before we will end, I would like to share also sa lahat ng mga leaders, sa mga distributors natin dito or mga guests po natin dito, if you're thinking na you want to do this on the next level, talagang gusto mo rin na maging center din or maging product center sa inyong lugar, no? By the way, we are encouraging, we're looking for partners na pwedeng maging stockists. Yan. Especially if you think yung mga lugar nyo, yung kung saan kayo ngayon, okay, yung saan yung specific location nyo, if you think na very potential yung lugar nyo dahil napakaraming tao, napakaraming malaki yung market, no? So by the way, itong stockist program natin this is just limited, no? Kumbaga once na mapasukan na ito, it will be exclusively, no, na makuha na, especially sa city stockists. Okay, so first we will have the sub stockists or the mobile stockists. So dito walang walang exclusivity ito sa lugar, but kumbaga you could do this being a sub stockist, you could do business anywhere, no? Kumbaga you could sell your packages anywhere. Okay, so in the sub stockist package, that would be 250,000. Ang inclusion po dito, you have 1 Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack with codes po yan. Ito yung mga may codes to. So depende na lang sa'yo, no? Optional po. Ang kagandahan dito, so you will be given an option if you think na gusto nyo light lahat, no? So ito, maka-adjust po tayo dito, no? Then rolling inventory, no PB, 80 boxes. Total product worth sa inyong 250,000 na package, the product worth is total of around 336,000 peso. Plus, meron ka pang code dito, no? May mga code pa yan. So, yun ang kagandahan. Okay? So, the stockist benefit, 100. Every time you repurchase, you will be given a 5% kumbaga yung service fee mo 100 peso per box every repurchase. So this time pag you've decided to become a sub-stockist, no? Okay? So as a support, as a company support, you will be given an event, no? So that worth 10,000 pesos. So and sa lahat namang makakuha or makakita or makapag-recommend na naging sub-stockist, you will be enjoying a finder's bonus for 15,000 cash. Okay? So 15,000 cash plus hindi pa po kasali yung referral bonus mo, no? Siyempre, yung stockist mag-i-encode yan dahil nga siyempre magme-member so doon i-plug. So talagang mag-i-encode yan. So automatically aside from your 15,000 cash, no, as the finder's fee, meron ka pang referral bonus sa system. Yan. Plus product support, $5 with no PB, that's 10,500 worth. Yan. Okay. So, and ito yung ating City Stockies program or package. 504,000 yung package natin. So, we have 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack. Ito yung inclusion. Okay? So, yung total product worth po ng ating ang ating series stockies, it will be amounting around 672,000 pesos. So hindi pa yung kasali yung ano diyan, mga code diyan. Kasi every time may yung mga code na encode pa yan, may mga kita pa po yan, no. So here as a stockist benefit, no. So automatically pag stockist, your city stockist, you will be exclusively okay, so you will be given a contract, no, na ikaw na po yung exclusive on that certain city or that particular city, no, na lalo na yung malalaking city, napakaswerte po pag nakuha po yan. And ang kagandahan dito, ano na yan, lifetime na yan, sa ikaw na po yung mag-handle ng or pagkukunan ng mga produkto. And on the yung mga sub-stockists po natin, no, also they can also get on their second repurchase, they can also get from you as the city stockist, no, lalo na mga malapit na mga sub-stockists on your area, so pwede na magkuha diyan, no. And aside from that, you'll be enjoying around 10% as a service fee as a city stockist, so that would be 200 peso per box, okay, plus dalawang event worth 20,000 pesos. Okay? So, and sa lahat na makakuha ng ating city stockies, they will be given a finder's bonus of 30,000 cash plus product worth 21,000 pesos. Yan. And hindi pa po kasali yung referral bonus na nasa system. Kaya naman napaka-compensated, napakaganda ng program. And talagang worth it kung tatrabahuin. If I were you, no, if you think if you are mayroon kayong mga kilala in mind, no, na very potential, na very kumbaga sa tingin niyo na possible talaga na maging stockies or series stockies. So don't second guess, kumbaga unahan nyo na, baka maunahan pa tayo ng iba. Ayan. So, kaya very worth it naman kasi yung produkto natin, and we could say talagang napakaganda, kaya we can assure, no. In fact, yung isang sub-stockist natin bago lang diyan sa sa Cavite, no. Yung sub-stockist natin nag-report sila, ubos na agad Kumbaga madali lang kasi hot cake. Kaya naman worth it na talagang siya kumbaga mag-engage ng ganito. Ayan. So for that, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, especially yung ating mga walang sawang nag-i-invite. Okay? Talagang nagpupusige yung ating mga leaders from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat ng mga guests po natin ngayon, no, sa mga first time na nandito ngayon na nakita itong opportunity. So what we could say is if you think na talagang maganda itong opportunity ito, and we could say this would be kumbaga napakagandang opportunity since we are just starting. We are in the pioneering stage. maraming nagsasabi na sa ganitong negosyo, mas maganda lang ito sa mga nakauna. And this time around, I could say, tayo ang nauna. Kaya naman talagang let's work it out. And if may mga questions po tayo or may mga katanungan, tanungin niyo po agad yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. So for that, maraming salamat po and God bless us. God bless us all po. Thank you very much and back to you, Coach Bernie.
Wow! Thank God for that very great presentations. Busog na naman po tayo sa kaalaman kung paano maging malusog at paano yumaman. So with that, we thank our two world-class speakers, Brother Dr. Alex Jerasmio and our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Gerson Pareño, and of course, to all of you, dear partners and guests, for coming over. I think that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, and see you on our next exciting Zoom meeting every Tuesdays and Fridays, and to God be the glory.